If you're looking to visit Old Tbilisi this summer, but want to avoid the extreme heat, the city jam and the crowds, then here are 5 places that you will absolutely love. Oh, and if you really want to know the easiest and safest way to travel to hidden gems in Georgia, click on the link below in the description and discover your Georgian travel superpower. But more of that later. Can you believe that this canyon with a beautiful waterfall is actually in the middle of the old town? This is a really cool place and a great place for an evening walk. These sulphur baths in Old Tbilisi contain lovely hot sulphur-rich water to soak you. And if you're brave, go for the 15 minutes body scrub. Narakala is a fortress carved out of living rock. Forget those warning signs or boardwalks or handrails though. This is tourism in the raw. But the payoff is amazing views, no crowds and a real sense of achievement. Incredibly, these large Botanical Gardens are right in the heart of the old town and make a wonderful place to reconnect with nature. There's a bamboo grove, a river flowing throughout the entire park, even a little Japanese garden and lots of adorable bridges. But whatever you do, don't forget to take at least one slice of homemade cheesecake to this beautiful jungle. Sit down next to the flowering plants and listen to those hummingbirds going round the flowers and enjoy your cake. Make your way to the very top, because it's absolutely magical seeing the old town from this iconic statue. The Mother of Georgia has a bowl of wine in her left hand and a big sword in her right hand. The wine is to offer friends and the sword is to fight enemies. I would choose carefully if I was you. A few years ago we started exploring Georgia with small groups of friends and called ourselves Weekend Travellers or Weekies. And now over 1,000 people have travelled with us, had incredible fun and eaten some incredible cake at over 100 incredible destinations in this beautiful, diverse country. And travelling as a group means it is safer, cheaper and without the organisational hassle. Just pay, go and have fun. But there was one big problem with the tours, and it wasn't the lack of cheesecake. Everybody wanted to know which tour was the right tour for them. Of course, some of us, including me, did every tour going. I know, that's a lot of cheesecake. But here's the thing, we all have limited time, and we need to know which tour will really make the most of our precious time. So I wanted to do something about it, and that's why I created the Which Georgian Tour is Right for You, a free assessment or quiz that will show you exactly how you can make the most of all your time in Georgia and give you personal recommendations on which tours will be perfect for you. So if you want to find the best way to see Georgia and eat lots of homemade strawberry cheesecake, of course, click on the link below and take the free 2 minutes quiz now. Problem solved.